If you are comparing window replacement cost in League City TX, the most accurate estimate starts with window type, frame material, glass package, and installation complexity. The average cost to replace windows in a house can vary widely depending on whether you choose vinyl window replacement League City TX, double pane window replacement League City TX, or full frame window replacement League City TX for older openings. Homeowners looking for affordable window replacement. League City, Texas should request a window replacement estimate. League City TX that accounts for labor, custom sizing, trim repair, and disposal of old units. Local window replacement financing options can also make residential window replacement options more manageable, especially when upgrading multiple rooms at once. The best energy-efficient window replacement League City TX homes are designed to reduce heat gain, block UV exposure, and improve indoor comfort through long summers and high humidity. Low E replacement windows. League City TX and low E glass window replacement are among the most effective choices for energy savings from new windows because they help lower cooling costs and improve replacement windows for better insulation. For homeowners seeking new windows for homes in League City, Texas, selecting the right glass package matters as much as the frame. Double pane window replacement benefits include better temperature control, less condensation, and improved sound reduction, making them a smart upgrade for both older houses and modern builds near the coast. Knowing how to know when to replace house windows can save money by preventing higher utility bills and ongoing damage. Common signs your windows need replacing include persistent drafts, fogging between panes, difficult operation, rotting frames, visible cracks, and rising energy bills. Many homeowners also wonder about drafty window repair versus replacement. But if seals have failed or frames are deteriorating, replacement usually offers stronger long-term value. If you need to replace foggy double-pane windows, that often indicates seal failure and lost insulation performance, which makes full window replacement a better solution than temporary fixes. Homes in window replacement League City TX and along the Gulf Coast need materials that can handle heat, humidity, and storms. Vinyl window replacement for coastal climates is a popular choice because vinyl resists moisture, salt air, and warping better than many alternatives. When comparing window frame materials comparison options, vinyl, fiberglass, wood, and composite each have different strengths, but replacement windows for coastal Texas homes often perform best when designed for humidity, wind, and sun exposure. For homeowners seeking the best windows for humidity and heat, durable frames and low E glass can improve comfort while reducing maintenance. Hurricane-resistant windows for Texas weather are a major consideration for homeowners in League City, especially in neighborhoods exposed to strong winds and storm conditions. Hurricane impact windows League City TX provide added protection, better security, and improved noise control while meeting strict performance standards. If you are searching for replacement windows for coastal Texas homes, impact-rated options can be a wise investment for long-term resilience. Homeowners near Clear Lake often ask for window replacement services near Clear Lake and League City TX because local installers understand regional wind load requirements and can recommend systems suited to Texas weather. Sound control is another reason many homeowners invest in new windows for homes in League City, Texas. Noise-reducing windows for busy neighborhoods and soundproof window replacement League City TX can make a noticeable difference for properties near major roads, schools, or commercial corridors. Double-pane window replacement League City TX with upgraded glass thickness or laminated glass can improve acoustic performance, creating a quieter interior without sacrificing style. For homes near traffic or community activity, these upgrades can also add resale value and make daily living more comfortable. Curb appeal matters, and house window upgrade ideas for curb appeal often begin with clean lines, updated grids, and fresh frame finishes. Custom replacement windows in League City TX can be designed to fit unique openings, while improving the architectural look of older and newer homes alike. If you are considering house window replacement in League City TX, window retrofit services. League City TX may work for some projects, but full frame replacement is often better when the existing frame is damaged or outdated. Frosted glass window replacement League City TX can also add privacy and style for bathrooms, entryways, and side-facing windows. Older properties often require a more careful approach, which is why window replacement for older homes should begin with a thorough inspection. Custom window sizing and installation is especially important when frames are no longer square or standard sizes do not fit. A professional local window replacement consultation can identify structural issues, moisture damage, and the best path for old window removal and replacement League City TX. For homeowners searching for residential window installers in League City TX, experience with historic layouts, trim work, and exact measurements is essential for a clean, efficient result. Choosing how to choose a window replacement contractor can make the difference between a smooth project and a costly headache. Look for licensed window installers in League City TX, a proven local window installation company League City TX, and a window replacement contractor League City Texas with strong reviews and clear warranties. The best window brands available in League City TX should be paired with proper installation, because even premium products fail when rushed or misaligned. Homeowners searching for window replacement League City TX near me should prioritize contractors that offer energy-efficient window replacement League City TX, transparent pricing, and detailed product guidance. Timelines matter during renovation, and how long does window replacement take depends on the number of windows, the scope of the job, and whether the project involves full framework or retrofit installation. Many projects can be completed quickly, and some homeowners even qualify for same-day window replacement League City TX on smaller jobs with standard sizes. What to expect during window installation includes removal of the old unit, inspection of the opening, weatherproofing, setting the new window, insulation, and finishing trim. For homeowners needing vinyl window replacement League City TX or double pane upgrades, an efficient crew can minimize disruption while delivering better insulation and long-term performance. If you are exploring residential window replacement options, the best approach is to match product features with your home's needs, budget, and location. Replacement windows for better insulation, low E replacement windows, League City TX, Hurricane Impact Windows League City TX, and Soundproof Window Replacement League City TX. Each solve different problems, and the right choice depends on whether your priority is comfort, protection, or resale value. A trusted window replacement contractor League City Texas can help you compare affordable window replacement League City Texas options, review window replacement financing options, and select the right system for your home. For property owners seeking window replacement services near Clear Lake and League City TX, a tailored consultation ensures the final result fits the home, the climate, and the long-term energy goals.